versus Christopher Gray, case number SP 1357945, counts 1, 2, and 3. SP 1191985, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1629749, counts 1 and counts 2. SP 1267865, counts 1, 2, and 3. And appearance for the record, please.
Sheriff Harris, on behalf of Mr. Gray, please state your name for the record.
Mr. Gray's appearing. I'm here as a special appearance. Mr. Gray's appearing at pro se.
Okay, Mr. Gray.
Okay, strike that appearance. Thank you.
State your name, Mr. Gray, for the record, please.
By special appearance, I'm here to appear for Christopher Lamar Gray.
All right. Today is the date and time set for a show cause. Mr. Gray, you missed the court date, sir.
I apologize. Your Honor. I made every attempt to get in. I didn't see my name on the docket when what I assumed was my date. So I don't know how I lost track of that. I do apologize, Your Honor.
Okay. All right. So your name is Christopher Gray. Is that correct?
My name.
That's what you just. Wait a minute. Let me just say what you just said. Let me just say what you just said. I didn't see my name on the docket.
I'm the trustee for the account. So for that.
I'm gonna call you Christopher Gray because that's what we're looking for. And then I'm gonna enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. I'm gonna give you a $0 bond.
Okay. Objection, Your Honor. I would like for the record, I reserve my right not to be compelled to perform in any contract, commercial agreement that I didn't enter knowingly, voluntarily, intentionally, and I furthermore do not accept any liability or compelled or otherwise for any contracts that I did not know that I became a part of because of a license or anything else, Your Honor. So I object, and for the record, the state can't be named a party in this suit. I asked that I put a motion before the court. I didn't get a ruling on that motion. I asked the court rule on my motion.
What is your motion? I haven't seen any motions. What is your motion?
I have a motion to dismiss, motion to strike.
And what is the basis for that?
The basis of that is there is no corpus delicti. The three components there are not those three components. There's only one of the three components here. Okay. The occurrence of loss of injury, that's not here. The whatever happened legally to cause or illegally to cause that loss, that's not here either. So of the three things, the third thing would be me being named. That's here, but the other things aren't here.
Okay.
So
is that all?
Yes, yes, Your Honor.
Okay, your motion is denied, Mr. Gray. All right, now I'm going to set this matter for a jury trial again. Let's see if we can get one quicker. Say that again?
You want to know he ever had a jury trial?
Yeah, he had a jury trial since July the 5th, but now it's not been set anymore, right? Let's get a date if we can get a date quicker than that. And for the record, I did not receive anything. Did you get the name? No, we don't check right now. I don't have anything in the file. We're going to check the mail to see if did you mail that motion in, Mr. Gray?
That motion, one moment, Your Honor.
The motion is denied anyway, but I just want to make sure that we didn't miss anything here. Ms. Mathis, you can check the email to see if Mr. Gray filed any motion.
Okay.
Again, Your Honor, I object. Article 3, Section 2, Clause 2 says that because the state has been named, in cases that the state is named, then in those cases involving ambassadors, public ministers, councils and those in which the state has been named, those fall under the original jurisdiction of the Supreme Court. So that is my objection, and I put that on the record that if the state is being named, which the city of Detroit would be the state, then this matter doesn't fall in your jurisdiction, it falls in the Supreme Court.
All right. Well, you can put that in a motion or whatever you want to do, but I don't interpret the law that way, and your objection is noted for the record.
Well, I object to you ruling on. I object to you putting in a defense on my behalf. I didn't request that. I didn't put a defense on your behalf. You put in a not guilty, and I didn't plead that. So that's. So
you want to plead? You have two options. You have two options. You want to plead guilty, not guilty, or you want to stand mute. Three options. What do you want to do?
I stand mute.
All right, stand mute. And based on that standing mute, I'm going to enter a not guilty plea on your behalf. All right.
I object to the entering of a plea on my behalf, Your Honor.
Objection is noted on the record.
Thank you.
Well, I'm checking.
All right, let's pass the matter. I'm going to get another jury trial date, Mr. Gray, and we'll get you out of here. Next time you miss, sir, it's going to be a cash bond on you. I'll let you know that.
Understood. Appreciate your patience, Your Honor.
Let's do the 527. Let's go back on the record with Mr. Christopher Gray. Let's go back on the record for Mr. Christopher Gray. Mr. Gray, I'm going to give you a jury trial date of May the 27th, 2025 at 9 a.m. Okay.
Your Honor.
Let's say 8:30.
Your Honor, I think I have in Third Circuit Court a pending case.
All right. Well, what do you have in Third Circuit?
Issue with Land Bank.
You don't have a choice. You come to in person at 8:30. You've already missed the day. You don't have a choice. You have to figure it out.
Okay.
In person, sir.
Will do.
All right. Have a great day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right. I will say this, that everybody's going to be famous now because of Mr. Gray and his special appearance. I know the YouTube influencers are watching. Have a great day, Mr. Glenn.
Thank you.
Okay. All right.
Christopher Gray's main legal mistake was relying on internet-inspired sovereign citizen arguments, claiming the state lacked jurisdiction and that obscure contract principles exempted him from legal obligations. These arguments are widely rejected in courts because they ignore established legal frameworks and precedent. Judge Perkins' reasoning was precise and measured. He denied unsupported motions, clarified the limits of jurisdiction, and ensured proper procedural steps were followed, such as entering a plea when Gray refused to act. The judge maintained courtroom order while exposing the absurdity of Gray's claims. This case demonstrates key legal principles. Courts do not recognize self-styled legal theories or special appearances outside statutory law. Sovereign citizen arguments fail because they misinterpret the law and substitute personal belief for actual legal authority. For viewers, this reinforces the importance of following legal procedures, understanding jurisdiction, and the risks of attempting unsupported defenses. The case also shows the patience, strategy, and decisiveness judges use to cut through repetitive, meritless claims, an essential insight for anyone observing legal processes.